Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily detect the shape using Sentinel-1 radar imagery in Google Earth Engine. Then how we can easily calculate how many ships are available. We also calculate the total number of ships. So in this time, I use here the Google Earth Engine and Sentinel-1 radar imagery. So then we can easily detect all of ships as well as also count how many ships are available. So let's go. I will try to explain all of those things step by step. So I hope you can easily understand about this method and further you can easily apply it. So first of all, you have to load your Sentinel-1 satellite imagery on Google Earth Engine. So you can easily get the Sentinel-1 imagery in Google Earth Engine public data catalog. So this imagery just simply import in your code editor, and then further you just simply filter your boundary, then filter the specific time period, then filter all of things, and then finally select your band. And then apply the calibration. We also apply the calibration on our imagery. Further, we also try to apply the speckle filtering. So basically, it's neat when you want to work for the radar imagery to remove that unnecessary pixel or noisy pixel. Then we need to also filter the speckle filtering. Further, we also applying the thresholding technique. This thresholding value detect that shape. We are just use this value, and further we consider all of things is the greater than we consider is it's a shape. So just applying the thresholding value. And then finally, we are creating the max creation. Mainly, it's a binary. We are just creating the binary 0 and 1. Suppose 0, there is no ship. 1 is show about that ship. So just we create the binary max creation. And further, we visualize this imagery. So let's go. I will try to explain all of those things step by step. Then I hope you can easily get the idea how we can easily use the Sentinel-1 star data to detect the ships. So let's go. So just I simply open my code editor. So here you can say I already write the code. So this is my result. So I can get this type of things. So here you can see basically it's a Sentinel-1 imagery. And in this imagery, I already apply the calibration as well as I also filtered the speckle. So that's why I can get that very good imagery. This is the radar imagery. We can easily detect this type of things. We can easily detect as a ship. Can easily get this type of ships. And further, I just apply the binary marks. Then I can easily detect this type of things is identify about that ship. Just I apply the binary marks. Okay. After that, I just simply convert this binary marks as a polygon. Okay. So further, I just simply create the ship polygon. So I can get this type of polygon which in detect the shape. You can see this type of polygon. It detect the shape. So further, I want to calculate how much polygon I got. So here you can see this is the polygon. This is this type of polygon I can get from here. So this type of polygon detect is one kind of shape. Okay, it's a vector format. Okay, so you can see this is the layer about that. First of all, we can get the Sentinel-1 imagery. So this type of shape we can get it. After that, we are just applying that binary marks, create this type of things, and then we are just create this shape polygon. So then we can get this type of polygon here you can see. And further, we also calculated how much polygon we can get for that whole study area. So you can see this is my study area. So for this whole study area, how much polygon I got, I just simply calculate. Then I can get the total number of ships. So here you can see we can get this type of result for the total number of ships. We find out that 255 ship detect between this time period. We can get that first imagery. Okay, so we can get it. You can see basically we just short using the system time start, and then we can get this type of imagery, and from this imagery we can find out that how many imagery we can get. We can get the 255 images. So basically this is the output of our result. So now I will explain one by one how we can easily detect. So first of all, I just create my polygon. Suppose I just create this type of region. I want to detect how much ships are available for this port. I just simply draw my study area, look like that. Okay. So after doing these things, I just simply choose the Sentinel-1 SAR data, and this Sentinel-1 SAR data further I just try to filter, and then I take the instrument in a instrument mode IW. Okay, it's very important for that, detecting this type of things. And I can get that polarization VV band, VV, this band I want to choose. And then I put this time period to look like that. And then I filter bounds with my study area. Further, I just simply short with my time period. I take that first imagery between this time. So it provides me only for the single image. So I can get this type of imagery. And then further I clip with my study area. Okay. And for the calibration, I just simply multiply this value 0.001 with this image, then it will be calibrated. Then I can get the calibration image. And also filtering the speckle, just I use here the focal median function. And further I try to put here that all of parameter for the focal median. Then I can just simply visualize our imagery. And further, we also try to apply the thresholding technique. So you can simply check some value from the Nespero tab, and then which value is perfect for you, simply put this value. After thresholding technique, just create that marks. Okay, we can get this type of binary marks here. You can see. So we are just use the red color. So in this time, this type of red color identify about the shape. We are just using the red color, and further, it's a raster imagery. So this type of raster imagery we convert as a polygon because we calculate the total shapes number. So for that, just use here the raster to vector conversion, and we can get this type of polygon. You can see it's about this type of polygon. And from this polygon, we try to calculate it how much number of polygon we find out. We find out 255. So basically, this is the process to detect the shape using Sentinel-1 SAR data in Google Earth Engine. So if you have any question regarding this topic, simply contact with my WhatsApp number or email. As well as if you want to interest to join my live training program on Google Earth Engine, basically our new batch will be start from that 19 July, and this registration is the open now. So first 10 registrable will get the 50% discount on this online training program. So if you want to get this 50% discount as soon as possible, book your seat and join our Google Classroom and also WhatsApp group. So basically this class total 7 days we take the class, Friday and Saturday every week we take the class, and then it's total 4 hours, basically 3 hours I take the live training and 1 hours for your own problem solving class. So as a beginners, when you learn the Google Earth Engine platform, you face a lot of problem. So that's why we are also providing that lifetime teaching support facilities. So after completing the total 7 days online training program, when you face any problem regarding any issue, then you can get that support. And you can see this is the time period about that. You can easily book your seat for that contact in this WhatsApp number, as well as you can also contact with this email. So all of things I already keep in my video description. Simply check it. And further, if you are interested to join the live training program, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, also contact with this email. And when you want to join this live training program, you can get some benefits, such as you can get the course e-certificate after submitting all of assignment. And you can get all of materials, mainly slide, PDF, all of practice code you can get, as well as you also get the recorded class, and you can also get the lifetime teaching support. So it's very important as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, you need the continuous support. So that's why you're also providing that lifetime teaching support. If you want to join this online training program, as soon as possible, contact with this WhatsApp number, as well as also contact with this email. Then further book your seat and then continue our live training session from 19 July. So thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.